Smokey Robinson denies allegations of sexual assault in $50 million lawsuit. Motown legend. Smokey Robinson has issued a firm denial in response to serious allegations of sexual assault, rape, and labor violations levied against him in a lawsuit filed earlier this week. The 85-year-old singer, songwriter, and music icon is being sued by 4 former employees who claim they were subjected to years of abuse while working as housekeepers at his home. The civil lawsuit, filed on Tuesday in Los Angeles County, accuses
Robinson of sexual battery, including rape, false imprisonment, and creating a hostile work environment. The plaintiffs, identified only as Jane Does 1 through 4 for privacy and safety reasons, say they were subjected to multiple forms
of abuse spanning nearly 2 decades.
Robinson's wife, Frances Glanny Robinson, is also named as a co-defendant in the case. Allegations spanning years, according to the 27-page complaint. The 4 women, all of whom are of Hispanic descent, detail a pattern of alleged misconduct by Robinson dating back to 2006. The lawsuit alleges that Robinson engaged in sexually explicit behavior, coerced some of the plaintiffs into unwanted sexual acts, and used his power and influence to silence their objections. The women claim that their complaints were either ignored or met with threats of retaliation, job loss, or negative immigration consequences. The plaintiffs' legal team stated during a press conference Tuesday that Robinson is a serial and
sick rapist and demanded accountability and justice through a jury trial. They emphasized that the women waited years to come forward due to fear of losing their employment, personal embarrassment, and anxiety about their legal status in the United States. Their lawsuit seeks at least $50 million in damages. Legal response. From Robinson's team, Robinson's attorney, Christopher Frost, responded swiftly and forcefully, dismissing the allegations as vile and completely false. In a statement to the BBC, Frost claimed the lawsuit is a shameless money grab and an ugly method of trying to extract $50 million from an 85-year-old American icon. As this case progresses, the evidence, the crucial element that guides us, will show that this is simply an attempt to tarnish a man's legacy and reputation, Frost stated. This case is not about justice, it's about extortion. The statement further condemned the plaintiffs' attorneys for hosting what the Robinson legal team called a media circus, arguing that public opinion is being manipulated before any facts have been substantiated in court. Robinson and his wife Frances, who have been married since 2002, also denied the accusations. The lawsuit contends that Frances Robinson not only failed to protect the plaintiffs from her husband's alleged misconduct, but also contributed to a hostile and exploitative work environment. No criminal charges filed to date, no criminal charges have been filed against Robinson, and no police reports have been made public. This is a civil case, meaning the outcome will depend on the presentation of evidence before a judge and jury rather than a criminal prosecution. Nevertheless, the high-profile nature of the lawsuit has already begun to impact Robinson's public image, drawing intense media attention due to his iconic status in the music industry. Robinson's legacy. Smokey Robinson, born William Robinson Jr., is considered one of the founding architects of the Motown sound. As a singer, songwriter, and record executive, he helped shape the careers of countless artists and penned some of the most enduring songs of the 20th century. He wrote or co-wrote hits such as My Girl for the Temptations, My Guy for Mary Wells, and The Tracks of My Tears for his own group, The Miracles. His influence on music spans generations and genres, with collaborators ranging from Diana Ross and Stevie Wonder to Dolly Parton and Elton John. Over the years, Robinson has amassed over 4,000 songwriting credits and has been inducted into both the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame and the Songwriters Hall of Fame. Despite the accolades, this lawsuit marks a dark and deeply controversial chapter in an otherwise celebrated career. Looking ahead, Robinson's legal team has indicated that a formal legal response will be filed soon, including a motion to dismiss the lawsuit entirely. They have also hinted at possible legal action against the plaintiffs' attorneys for allegedly making defamatory statements during their public press conference. We ask the public to reserve judgment, Frost emphasized. Let the legal process unfold and allow the facts, not speculation or sensationalism, to guide the outcome of this case. No court date has been set as of yet, but this case is expected to draw significant attention as it develops in the coming weeks. Thank you for
Watching Yellow Pepper TV, your source for trusted news and insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay informed.